Hi guys, I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update. I made a video a few years ago where we had a walk through the Castillo Central Commercial Unit, and it's quite popular. Everybody wanted to see the shops. There have been some new developments, so I thought I'd run you through what's changed here in Caleta de Fuste. Up there we've got Tappy Tapas. Highly recommend that. We went there the other evening. There's another video on that. And then we'll come along to the China shop, which you can get practically anything you really need, want. Loads of things you probably don't want in there. And then here is the new development, which is going to be a new retail unit. So this unit is going to be Funde Grube, as we all tend to call it if you're from the UK. And yeah, we'll get across, have a look. As I say, they're still working on it. It's going to be quite a nice shop, and they've also taken out all of this area and landscaped all that, made it look pretty decent. And there's an additional ramp up to the other section. We've got a diesel generator going here to power the work that they're doing in there. I'll have a quick look inside. As you can see, it doesn't look as if it's going to be too long before that's open for business. They've got some of the retail units in there already. And there's another entrance here, which I presume is going to be a goods entrance. As I say, all the workmen still working hard, putting that retail unit together. So that's going to be a nice addition to Caleta de Fuste. And then we'll get across the road. If you remember back, I did a nice bit of short video on the chap who was doing this fantastic mural, the fish. There are also two others further down, one which looks like a vulture flying and also a lizard. But yeah, great artwork, really cool to see. And if we go across the pedestrian crossing, you can see this is Gold Touch. Now that was a large jewellery shop, and again that's been refurbished, so that's going to be another nice unit. So doing all the work inside. So hopefully that won't be too long before that's opening. And then over the road there was a restaurant here, and that's now gone. And there's going to be a large perfume shop here. Another thing that has dissipated is the kids' play area, which was there, and that's no longer there. So we'll just have a walk through the rest and see what's gone and what's here. So there was a sport shop there, sadly that's now closed. Net Cafe, which was there, and is opening on an evening around about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It seems to open. We have a jewellery shop, Hope. Again, these shops have been here for a long time. This is a new one, I think, from the last time. We've got a nail bar there. Goose and Firkin, they're always popular with the Brits. All of the same retail units along this side, selling t-shirts and other gifts and souvenirs. Same with that one there. We'll come past the sweet shop on the left. You've got the other Gold Touch unit there, which presumably that will free up some more retail space there when they move into the new unit. And again, all the bag shops. It's another one opening up, doing some work in there. can't remember what was there before, but that's all changed. Now I've got Max, the perfume shop here again. That's going to move to the end of the strip. We'll see what happens with that. The Wild West, and then this cafe, which sadly closed down. It was a nice cafe, that, and they have been in there. We did see some workmen clearing that out, so hopefully that will get a new unit in it. So that's basically all of the shops. What's changed, what stayed the same here in Caleta de Fuste. Hope you've enjoyed the video, found it useful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.